In this video, we're going to cover the options in your Tools kit bar and learn more about the Tools property panel in CaseGuard Studio. I have CaseGuard open and I'll create a new project. I'll name it Tools Properties Panel. I'll add a video and audio file. CaseGuard is familiar with the different types of files. Therefore, the toolkit bar on the left of your screen defaults to the Tools panel with audio features when the audio file is selected. I'll now select the added video, and the toolkit bar automatically defaults to the manual video redacting tool for convenience. You can easily select the audio redaction icon to bring you to the same audio redaction panel options to redact the audio in your videos the same way. Don't forget, all the features I show you in this audio file can be replicated in any video file with audio. Let's begin going over all of the options in the toolkit bar. First, note that selecting the different options here changes the Tools property panel you have below to give you more options when using the feature. Make sure to pin the Tasks List panel, as some of these options appear there. The first option is Audio Redaction. This is your default option when you add an audio file. The panel below allows you to use the manual audio redaction tools. This is covered in the manual audio redaction video. When a redaction is applied, it shows the action and timestamp under the description. If you have multiple redactions, you could use the Go to Position icon under Operations to go to 1 second before the specific redaction. You can also select Preview without effect to listen to what you've decided to mute, bleep, or change voice. And lastly, you can select the Delete button to remove these redactions one by one, which is reflected on the audio wave. Next, Audio Effects, which simply allows you to increase or decrease the volume. You can decrease the volume by 0.5, and the highest increase level is by 100. Select to add it to the task list, and then export to have the volume change take effect. Third, the closed captioning icon. This allows you to add captions to your videos and audio. You can select the timestamps using any of the manual methods, write out the caption, and choose the alignment and save. Now, the caption's on your screen for the duration you chose. Notice that if the closed captioning icon is not selected, the caption will not show up on the screen. The closed captioning feature is discussed further in the How to Translation and Closed Captioning video. Next, convert audio to video. This option, once selected, will appear on your tasks list. This means it will be applied when you export the file. Let's remove all other tasks and export to see what happens when it's converted. We now have the same file in the Project File panel, except it's now MP4, identical to the video file we previously added, not MP3, letting us know that it has been converted from audio to video. Lastly, noise removal. This can be applied to any audio that has background noise that you would like to remove. I'll go ahead and use the video in this project to demonstrate. Let's take a listen.
Hi, my name is Emily. I'm calling you in regards to your doctor's appointment today, March 13th, 2023 at 2:30 p.m. I will be a nurse for this virtual check-in.
Thanks for calling me so quickly. I really appreciate it.
You can hear the speaker pretty clearly, but there is a bit of white noise in the background that can be distracting. Let's go ahead and remove the noise. I'll only apply it to the first portion of this video. I'm going to redact their faces and export to listen to the final product. Keep in mind that only the first couple of seconds has noise removal.
Hi, my name is Emily. I'm calling you in regards to your doctor's appointment today, March 13th, 2023 at 2:30 p.m. I will be a nurse for this virtual check-in.
Thanks for calling me so quickly. I really appreciate it.
No problem. Can you please confirm your name, date of birth, and social security number?
Sure. My name is Pippa Elizabeth Smith.
As you may have heard, CaseGuard was able to pick up on the white noise in the background and reduce it significantly. And as you can see from the audio wave, there's a difference in the noise level from the portion where we added the noise removal. Happy redacting!